Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss the topic factorization of polynomials. Factor theorem plays an important role in factorization of polynomials. Let us check the statement of factor theorem. If p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then it has two cases. First case is x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a is equal to 0, and second case is p of a is equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of p of x. In algebra, the factor theorem is a theorem linking factors and zeros of a polynomial. Let us check one example question. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and of 2x plus 4. Here we have two polynomials, x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and 2x plus 4. According to the question, we need to check if x plus 2 is a factor of both of the polynomials. We already discussed in remainder theorem. If the remainder is 0, then the given expression is a factor of the given polynomial. Otherwise, it is not a factor. First case of factor theorem also telling the same. X minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a is equal to 0. Let us check the answer. Let p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and q of x is equal to 2x plus 4. Children, why we take p of x and q of x? Because both are different polynomial. So for finding the answer, first we need the 0 of x plus 2 because we are going to check x plus 2 is a factor or not. Thus, the 0 of x plus 2 is minus 2. Next we need to substitute the value of x, that is 0, in the given polynomials. First let us substitute the value of x in p of x. Therefore, p of minus 2 is equal to x cube. So, minus 2 cube plus 3x square. 3 into minus 2 square plus 5x. 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Next we need to solve it. Minus 2 cube. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So minus 2 cube is minus 8. Plus 3 into minus 2 square. Minus 2 square is 4. 3 into 4 is 12. Plus 5 into minus 2. Minus 10 plus 6. Okay. Next, minus 8 plus 12 is 4. 4 plus minus 10 is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, p of minus 2 is equal to 0. So, by the factor theorem, x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Next we have the polynomial q of x is equal to 2x plus 4. We already got the value of x, that is the 0 of x plus 2. It is minus 2. Next we need to substitute the same value in q of x also. So q of minus 2 is equal to 2x. So 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Here also we got q of minus 2 is equal to 0. If instead of 0 you will get any other answer, then the given expression is not a factor of the given polynomial. But here we got q of minus 2 is equal to 0. So, x plus 2 is a factor of 2x plus 4. Therefore, in this question, x plus 2 is a factor of both of the polynomials. Second question, find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. In this question, we need to find the value of k. We have given a polynomial 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. And also given x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. If x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial, then by the second case of factor theorem, p of 1 is equal to 0. Let us check the solution. Let p of x is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. As x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, then by factor theorem, p of 1 is equal to 0. That is, p of 1 is equal to, we need to substitute the 0 of x minus 1, that is 1 in the given polynomial. So first we have 4x cube. So 4 into 1 cube plus 3x square, 3 into 1 square minus 4x, 4 into 1 plus k. Next step is 4 into 1 cube, 4 plus 3 into 1 square, 3 minus 4 into 1, minus 4 plus k. So it is given that p of 1 is equal to 0. That means this answer is equal to 0. Which implies 4 plus 3, 7, 7 minus 4, 3. 3 plus k is equal to 0. From this, k is equal to 0 minus 3. What is 0 minus 3? Which is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the value of k is equal to minus 3. You can check your answer. How? Substitute the value of k in p of 1. You need to get the answer 0. So here we got the value of k is equal to minus 3. If we substitute here means 3 plus minus 3. What is 3 plus minus 3? Which is equal to 0. So we got the answer 0. Therefore, our answer k is equal to minus 3 is correct. So if you get a question like this, first find the value of x from the given factor. Then substitute the value in the polynomial and equate it to 0. Then you will get the value of the given variable. Third question. Factorize y square minus 5y plus 6 by using the factor theorem. Factorize means find the factors. Y square minus 5y plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial since the degree is 2. So it has two factors. Let us check the solution. Let p of y is equal to y square minus 5y plus 6. If p of y is equal to y minus a into y minus b, then the constant term will be ab. Here the constant term ab is equal to 6. So to look for the factors of p of y, we look at the factors of 6. Therefore, the factors of 6 are. Children, what are the factors of 6? Yes, the factors of 6 are 1, 2 and 3. Next we need to substitute the factors of 6 in the given polynomial. In which value of the factor we will get the answer 0, then it is a factor of the given polynomial. Otherwise it is not. So by trial, first let us substitute the factor 1 in p of y. Therefore, p of 1 is equal to y square. So 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6. 1 square is 1 minus 5 into 1 is 5 plus 6, which is equal to 1 minus 5 is minus 4 plus 6. What is minus 4 plus 6? Yes, which is equal to 2. So, we got P of 1 is equal to 2. So, y minus 1 is not a factor of P of y. Next, we need to substitute next factor 2 in P of y. So, P of 2 is equal to, we have y square minus 5y plus 6. So, y square means 2 square minus 5y. 5 into 2 plus 6. Now, we need to solve it. 2 square is 4 minus 5 into 2 is 10 plus 6. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. So we got P of 2 is equal to 0. So y minus 2 is a factor of P of y. Also we have 3 as a factor. So next we need to substitute 3 in the given polynomial. Therefore P of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6 equal to 3 square is 9. 9 minus 5 into 3 is 15. So 9 minus 15 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. So we got P of 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, y minus 3 is a factor of P of y. Therefore, y square minus 5y plus 6 is equal to y minus 2 into y minus 3. So we used the factor theorem and we got the factors of y square minus 5y plus 6 is equal to y minus 2 and y minus 3. We have one easiest method to factorize quadratic polynomials. That is splitting the middle term method. We will discuss that method in the next class. Next question. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x. P of x is equal to 2x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 and g of x is equal to x minus 3. Here we have two polynomials p of x and g of x. We need to check g of x is a factor of p of x by factor theorem. Factor theorem states that x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a is equal to 0. According to the question, x minus 3 is a factor of p of x if p of 3 is equal to 0. Let us check the solution. Given p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 and g of x is equal to x minus 3. We need to check g of x is a factor or not. So we need the value of x, that is 0 of x minus 3. 0 of x minus 3 is 3. Next we need to substitute the 0 of x minus 3, that is the value of x in p of x. Therefore, p of 3 is equal to 2x cube. So 2 into 3 cube minus 4x square. 4 into 3 square plus x. So plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 2 into 3 cube. 2 into 3 cube is 27 minus 4 into 3 square. 3 square is 9 plus 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 9 is equal to 2 into 27 is 54 minus 4 nines are 36 plus 9. Next step is 54 minus 36 is equal to 18 plus 9. What is 18 plus 9? 18 plus 9 is equal to 27. Therefore, P of 3 is equal to 27, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, G of x is not a factor of P of x. That is, x minus 3 is not a factor of 2x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. Okay children, today's class is completed. I hope you understood what we discussed today.